Shalom. Let's start about giving praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushua, Bahashem, Kakadash, double honors to the apostles and elders, great millstones, salutations to those for lit, pushing the truth across the four corners of the earth, all faith, truth, and sincerity. Alright, it's the brother. I'm on one about from the Birmingham Camp, Alabama GMS. Don't get to the sentence going to just a quick sentence. I ain't gonna make it too long. Just going to just about this article I read into about, the stock market crash. Experts saying, hey, it's coming. It's gonna be a time where it's gonna be a great stock market crash. Worse than any other crash. And the script's going to that. About going to about the stock market crash. Being one of the worst ones. To come. So I'm gonna start off with this article. It says stock market crash. Did everything bubbles already bursting? So go to the kind of get to the point of the article, but let's see. I'm gonna go to right here. It says some bubbles are already bursting. Says since November, warning signs are showing that the bubble of everything is starting to burst in certain assets within the U.S. Inflation running at a 40-year high. Interest rates are set to rise in 2020-23 to curtail rising customer prices. This is already having a negative effect on assets prices, especially those of the riskiest of risk assets. And although there's a little firm evidence that raising rates actually trigger stock market crashes. So it said there's a little firm evidence that raising rates actually trigger stock market crashes. So hey, they know that a crash is a great crash is ahead, man. These people that they're watching. But the people that be watching the stock market and so forth, financial advisors, those that be watching, the market, the economy, they know, goddamn, that a great crash is ahead. It's just a matter of time. But investors are clearly more worried than they were last autumn. so last fall, so they more worried than last fall. I know it was something that came out that said a stock market crash could have happened in October. Could have happened in October, but it didn't happen. Last October. So they said they more worried now. As it go forward. So, but it's gonna come a time where the stock market will crash. That great crashing from the hills will come. The stock exchange, the stock exchange in New York. The stock market. People invest in this and that. It's gonna get to a point where it's just gonna fold, man. And that's when things gonna drastically change. All hell gonna break loose. People gonna be losing their mind. That's coming, man. So see what's in the more in this article. That was the point of the article. But yeah, the stock market people, the people that watch the stock market, worried, that the bubble is gonna burst. The big bubble. They're saying the big bubble is gonna burst. The stock market gonna crash, and it ain't gonna be no return of it. So for now, go to Zephaniah 1:10, and it shall come to pass in the day, said the Lord, that there shall be the noise from the cry from the fish gate. You had the first stock market crash that happened, the Great Depression, and a howling from the second. The second one, you had a house and stock market crash. The crash happened in 2008. And the great crashing from the hill. So you got the great crashing that's ahead. The crash of all crashes. So like I say, you got your stock market people watching it. They know that a great crash, and it's a great stock market crash is coming, and a lot of people gonna be, like I say, out here just losing their mind, having lost some money, ain't no coming back from it, from this stock market crash when it happens, all they're gonna lead to is the MOTB, RFID chip, Revelation 13:16. It's gonna be the new currency, cause like I say, the cash, the dollar, the dollar, it's not, really that valuable, even though they still use it, but it really is no value of it right now, because it's losing value every day, ain't no real value in that dollar. And like I say, you got the Bitcoin and that too, you got folks investing in that Bitcoin, but like I say, when that stock market crash, the Bitcoin ain't gonna be about nothing, it's gonna boil down to, you're gonna take that RFID chip, the MOTB, that's gonna be the new currency, because it gotta be a problem too. The problem got to happen, and then a solution got to come about, to solve that problem, So that's what these devils, these Edomites, got prepared. They don't, they want this stock market to crash, so they could bring in the MOTB, Revelation 13:16, the RFID chip. So with that, I didn't want to make it too long as I'm going to that, the article I found, that's going to about, how these, these financial, guys, those that watch it, men and women for that matter, they watching it, they seeing that, a stock market crashes, is ahead, in just a matter of time. So with that, I give all praise and glory to you. How about Hashem, Yahshua, about Hashem, and Kakadash, to the apostles, elders, to the Sisakim brothers, to the few Akwa sisters, do listen, keep the faith, and Yahshua keep finding that say shalom.